She got the song of love. Well, it's every night. That's it always seems to appear. Go on.
Hello traders, welcome to episode 468 of the show. Happy Easter to you, of course. If you missed the day stream, we're here for the night stream, just to look at, the more major cryptos. Alright. Man, I don't know, I've been immersed in fantasy the past couple hours with billions and then straight into Game of Thrones. So, getting back to reality of us not really moving any since I did the day stream. Any since I did the XRP update, not really. So, just looking at Bitcoin below the 20 moving average, reiterating the analysis that was done before because nothing's changed, is upsloping consolidation on Bitcoin after an impulse where we did not make an 88.6% retrace. We actually hit a 78% retrace from X to A. 78, that was that wick right there, which is now the 100% retrace from our low point to high point. Anchor point 1 to 2. We've retraced 23% of the way, but no candle closes below that 23% retrace at 52.60. But man, we closed the day and we closed the week. We closed the 4 hour above that 20 moving average. But of course, nothing happened, right? Nothing came from it. Just still holding for the 6th time now, it seems. We're holding above the 236. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6. Man, if you can hold 52.60 long enough, dude, that could be good. We could run to the upside and get our entry, but anything's possible in these markets. That could have been the top. A 78% retrace is a deep retrace, and it wouldn't be weird at all. But the good news is we're above the 50 moving average. You must remain above the 50 moving average because that is the bottom of the equilibrium zone in an uptrend, okay, which is the purple line you see. 50 moving average. Yellow is 20. Okay, so if you're new, eventually you'll pick it up. How we do things, we use just different oscillators, different indicators, different patterns to help us gain vision and sight on where we may or may not be going next. Okay, so again, man, don't worry about the orange at all yet because it hasn't really come to fruition, but definitely look at the teal. We hit the first target, we hit the second target, but we have not quite hit the third target. The third target, again, is only off by 1 fib node. From the 786 to the 886, 54.20 to 54.30. That's it. Yeah, maybe so, King Logan, dude. Maybe so. I mean, it's kind of weird. It's like, just calm down. Okay, we get it, dude. It's like, you're saying these things, but like, no one believes you, but we're all laughing with you. Please don't make us laugh at you. Please don't do that. Just calm down, right? Logan, I think that's what you mean, right? Okay, anyway. That's Bitcoin. Chat, I'm sure it's going to be light. It's probably going to be, a pretty quick stream. Almost a static video type stream, okay? Don't get mad at me, man. Supply and demand. So, Mobius, dude. Infinite Paradox. Sylvian. Rick Schmitz. Mr. Sid Vicious. ES Trading. Is it over yet? Yeah, dude. It's over every time you ask, okay? Yeah, happy Easter to you, Mobius. What's up, JD? Toshi Blue. VO. Hey, Sean Watson, dude. Long time no talk, man. Long time no talk. Good to see you, dude. Yeah, I gotta get verified on Bat Browser. I gotta do it, man. It's just like something I gotta make happen. What's up, Smelly? You've tipped yourself. Congratulations, dude. You played yourself, man. What's up, Herbert? Is it true Alex Jones is Satoshi? Yeah, dude. It's the most true thing I've ever heard in my entire life, okay? So Satoshi Bear, Jim E, Christopher Harris Jr., Mr. Blonde, his Angus is peppered. Or something like that. Nice one, dude. What's up, MJ? Kiki. Yeah, dude, whatever that means, okay. Hey, Landcap, happy Easter to you. It's just zero, hello? If you're new, it won't take long before you hate XRP. Dude, why do people hate XRP? Why can't we just not care about XRP? More so than hating it, okay? No one hates it, we just don't care, right? I think that's a much better stance to have on something that's inanimate and doesn't affect your life at all unless you FOMO into it at $3. Yeah, then I could see why people would hate it. Okay. What is XRP? Yeah, dude, what is it, man? It's a token of Ripple, whatever. BNB, sure, dude. Oh, Bitcoin selling off, man. Oh, back below. Still bouncing off that 236, 5260. Come on, dude. Hold above it or be a peasant. All right, whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum and Ripple are going to follow. Jeez, man. Ripple, just when you thought there might have been some short-term relief. Well, I guess there was short-term relief, depending on how many hours or minutes you're talking about. There was relief at the 886, but now with Bitcoin selling off again, I'm sure Ripple is getting back down in scary, froggy territory. Oh, God, I just hit my stream deck. Okay. What's up, Vitally? What is it? Vitally? Vitally? What the heck, dude? What's up with your name, man? Freaking me out in many ways. Okay. Let's go to Ethereum and then Ripple, and then we'll just do a few coins, and then I'll just get out of here. It's just, man, it's Easter night. I think Passover story, people getting wrecked or something. Okay. A lot of people getting wrecked, dude. Dang. Isn't that true? Isn't that how it worked? All right, we were never able to hit that 78% retrace, just like Bitcoin was not able to hit its 886. If Bitcoin hit the 886, then Ethereum would have certainly hit its 786. But nope. Sorry, we sold off just below it. Hey, we got, but the thing is, from B to C, the fib extension of the 1618, we almost got there. 1618 was at 179.56, and guess what? We got as high as 179.21. Okay, 30 cents off a critical fib extension. So pretty much touching the beginning, pretty much of the pattern. Okay, you can't just rely solely on X to C. All right, you must also look at B to C. They're equally important. The closer they are together, the more reliable the pattern's going to be. The more further out they are, the less likely or less reliable the pattern might be. Okay, well, definitely, if it is going to be still reliable, it's going to be much more difficult to gauge the actual area of entry. If the area of entry is between 179 at 50 and 182, that's a pretty wide range. You normally want confluence to be like this, dude. You don't want it to be like that. You want to be like this, man. All right, we just didn't get that here. Sucks. Sometimes it happens, man. Okay, but anyway, sold off, bouncing off the 50 moving average still, so it's still okay. Remember, equilibrium zone in an uptrend, but dude, this was a rising wedge that I feel like you broke out of. But what would be wonderful here is if, yeah, the negative momentum started tapering off on higher prices, and then we were able to run up to the real top, the 786 from X to C, which is around, again, 182. Then we could get that bearish divergence that we so, I wouldn't want to say the word covet today, but we so yearn, we so aspire for those levels, okay? Hey, we can use pronouns to sin, I guess. I don't know. I mean, covet, difference between coveting and yearning and, you know, being what? Come on, man. I mean, thou shalt not covet, thou shalt not yearn for the $183 range. Okay. Anyway. Okay, that's Ethereum Connect. We didn't hit there. We did not hit the target, but almost did. There's arguments that could be made that the 1618 could have been the top. Or, yeah, there you go. So, all right. Half people are like, what are you talking about, Ray? It's like, dude, learn harmonics, and you'll know all about what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It's like do or die time. Yesterday we were at 33.276. Today we got as low as 31.876 cents. Oh, my God, monkey ass. You're still there. You're at the area. Last line of defense for any kind of a potential pattern. X, A, B, C, D. Where's my music, man? I'm losing it, man. Jimmy, the next stop, Bitcoin's your face. Okay. Does that help? Thanks. I can't even hear anything, dude. Whatever, man. Guess I'm not going to be able to hear anything. XRP, please. Okay, dude. CNBC told you to buy at 330 and sell at 160. Get wrecked, dude. Oh, Rep took off, man. It's already taken off, man. Dude, why is my Steam on? Trouble Easter eggs are my favorite, dude, okay? Great talk, chat. Great talk. Okay, so if we get pivot here, we'd be expecting the next leg, the next wave to the upside. And if that was the case, then hopefully we'd be able to hit our secondary and last target of the bullish cipher entry. First target hit, first and a half target hits. We sell off with a 50% retrace because the downslope and resistance is too overwhelming. Just too much, man. Too many sell orders at this area, okay? So now here we are, and we've retraced 88% of the way, man, from A to B. I mean, that's pretty deep retrace. You don't want to be falling lower than this, otherwise you're invalidating the pattern. So we're expecting the worst, but hoping for the best. That's the mentality one must have in a natural disaster situation such as XRP. Get wrecked, dude. Oh my god. Too witty. Love how it gets so insanely loud. Okay, anyway, that's it, dude. Okay. Well, we hit almost, well, we did. We actually did make all-time highs on BNB to USD. But right at that area, we $25.20. We hit all-time highs on the wicks, but we did not close above it. Now, we are making all-time highs on candle closes, but we did not get a candle high close above the all-time high wick, which was 25.20. And so here you are, the channel you have recently broken out of. Beautiful channel. You broke out of it, you're back testing it. It seems like it has some sort of support for now. You were overbought as crap. You were at 81. And now again, pulling back, man. Areas where one would pull back or expect to pull back. And we said it's going to be screwed, man. We're not going to even know what to do unless we pull back because we can't even fib then. Like, you know, normally what will happen is you'll run up, you hit all-time highs, you pull back, you make a swing low, and then fortunately from like a high point to that low point would be able to fib again, so then we could get fib extensions on the new all-time highs that we'd be getting, okay? And we just keep it gradual there. So because like when you get so crazy, like you can't fib extend anymore. I mean, what'll have to happen, we'll probably have to do this if we really start getting above that 1618 at $25.73. If we really do that, we'll be able to fib. I think we'll be able to fib from the previous all-time high all the way down to that December 2018 low, high to low, and that we could get some more targets up here. But that hasn't happened yet, so we don't need to do that yet. All right. Crazy, man. BNB, Kangs. Beautiful. Sup, Squishy. Sup, Kanglo. Sup, Elixir. Yeah, Elixir. Maybe I shouldn't be, dude. I shouldn't be, okay? I should just call it. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just in a routine of stupidity where I just keep streaming like multiple times a day. I don't know, man. I'm not like leaving myself any like free time, like to like just unwind. And so I need to probably do that. So maybe shorter streams or just literally taking a day off or something like that. Probably be wise for my mental health, but moving also part of my mental health, but I haven't done that yet because I'm renovating parts of my house so I can sell the house for a lot of money. Okay. Great appreciation. Proceeds. All right, so that's it. It's BNB. Let's go to vet. That's not vet. That's vert. Whatever vert is. Vert's actually something weird enough. VeChain. Connect. Okay, still pathetic. Still scrubbing. Still unable to do things. At critical supports now. This is not like ADA where you just weren't hitting supports. You're actually at critical supports now. You must hold above 127. You must. And we are for now, but dude, you bullishly engulfed, you ran up, and then you tweezer double topped immediately at the 20-day moving average, and now you're getting 3 black crow reversal. Terrible. Bearish reversal pattern. Come on, man. So I'll tell you this, though. The negative momentum is building on the daily, which isn't really good. But from the low you had to the actual now lower low that you have, you do have much lower levels of negative momentum. So a couple of schools of thought. One being that divergence is already starting to set in on a daily time scale. But the other thought is, hey man, the negative momentum is at its highest level so far from this sell-off. So we could keep building negative momentum on the next candle and the one after that. And then eventually just keep building negative momentum to where it's like we break below the support. But you got to remain kind of confident at this area that it would hold as support. If not, just forget about it. Just forget about it, dude. Okay, pretty much. I mean, others could then say, hey man, some sort of already you've created yourself some sort of neckline, left shoulder, head, right shoulder stuff. That's really bad. Come on. You cannot fall below 127 or it's all over pretty much. Okay. It's pretty much all over. That's my thoughts on VeChain to BTC. So set up your alerts for 127, dude, because you keep hitting that. Maybe set them at 125 or something like that because yeah, that could be bounced off a while. So, hey, we don't care, man. I mean, we're really not worried about it because guess what, dude? VeChain hit entry, hit the first target, hit the second target, never had a one candle high close above it. Okay, that's it on VeChain. Wow, crazy. What's up, Adam? What's up, Carolina? Thanks, Culture Shot. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Africa for vacation while my Jello on the way. Okay. Market sucks. I don't know, man. It's just as trash as most of the days that I stream. So it's just a weekend and stuff. Thanks, Brookolinos. Appreciate that. Oh yeah. Maybe more statics during the day, dude. It's tough enough, man. I almost feel like so redundant because I'm like live streaming, then I'm doing analysis, then I'll do like a static video, and it's like, well, I just did that analysis like 3 times in a row on the live streams, so I feel like almost like crazy, dude. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. You just need to think about things for a little while. Okay, definitely need to think about things. Just figure out like balance in my life. Okay, because I've completely ruined so much of my life by the schedule I've kept with doing this every day, multiple times a day. So like, I gotta think about things. All right. So I don't know, man. I think what I'm gonna do is just it's like I don't know. I've been live like 25 minutes. It's really not a big deal, but dude, I don't know. It's like it's not like you don't see me every day, multiple times a day, or you can't see me multiple times a day. So I don't know, man. I just like almost like stupid for me to come live, but I will be back tomorrow. Thank y'all for tuning in for just a little bit, just to say, hey, we did an update on the markets. What do you want from me, man? Better than most content creators who won't even talk to you or won't even show up or radio silence for 3 days, and then they'll come back randomly live. So I'll just be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the TA.